What's going on, everybody? So one of the things that I come across when I'm speaking to either my team or another stylist who's looking to get busier is they're not doing the work. They're not in the salon enough. They are procrastinating. The thing is this, you could be an amazing hairstylist, but if you're not at the salon, you're not going to be able to do anyone's hair. People want, and I've said this in the past, this work-life balance, but you haven't even worked enough yet to balance it out. So the thing is this, while you're on your work-life balance and you're down the shore or you're on vacation or you're at yoga, there's someone hungrier than you and she's at the salon or he's at the salon. He's taking clients. He's answering the phone. He's returning those texts. He's on Instagram. Listen, this is not a very difficult thing to do to get busy. It just takes a lot of work in the beginning. People are trusting you with their hair. If you can't even communicate with them and return a text or an Instagram, or you have these time limit boundaries on when you want to answer your calls and your texts, that next person will answer the text and that next person will get that client. And that client potentially could have 10 to 15 friends that want to go to you, and you're missing the boat on that. Person who's going to be at the salon longer and work harder and work more hours in the beginning of their career is going to win in the end. That's just a fact. That's just how it happens. That's how it works. I understand that all these different coaches are out there telling you about the work-life balance. That is meant for somebody who has already put the work in and they're burnt out and stressed. If you haven't put the work in yet, what are you doing worrying about the balance and worrying about days off? Put the time in. You have to hone your skills and get your craft down. Like you need hours behind the chair to become an elite or become an expert, become a master at anything. I just want to stress to a lot of people out there, because I get a couple messages here and there, and I just do conversations with other stylists and friends and whoever's in the industry. You got to understand, you got to put the hours in behind the chair. You have to punt your yoga classes and all your other events. And one of the things I do want to stress, though, is the self-work. You can't punt that. That's part of you. The better person, better human you are, the more physically fit you are, the better you eat and the better shape that you're in, you're going to be able to work those 10-hour days, 12-hour days. But if you're not eating right and you're not exercising and your body isn't where it should be and your energy levels aren't where they should be because you're not exercising, working out, journaling, meditating, all that stuff, that's very important. That's how you get through that hour 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in your day. That's how you can actually grind it out week after week, month after month, and really build your book. You have to take care of your body. I'm not saying just work 14 hours a day and don't eat right, don't sleep. You have to take care of you first. Really make sure that you're taking care of your temple so then you can execute behind the chair. So if you're too focused on your time off and you're too focused on the balance aspect of work-life balance, you're never going to win this game. You have to really put the hours in to get the results that you want.